Here's how to change your FPL captain. So I'm going to show this on both the website and the application. So let's get started with the app first. Launch the FPL app on your device, log into the specific account and select the fantasy option from the bottom of the screen, which is between latest and season. Now click on the pick team in the top of the screen. You'll be able to see your captain and vice captain both if you've set it. They're indicated by the C or the V alphabet. So if you want to go ahead and change your captain on your FPL, select any other player. I'm going to choose Rodgers. Then check this box of captain and you'll be done. Now select confirm in the top right and that's it. Now if you want to go ahead and do the same on the website, go to fantasy.premierleague.com, log into the specific account, click on the pick team from the top, which is between home and transfers. Now here you need to scroll down and you can see that in my case, Watkins is the captain of my team. If you want to go ahead and change it, select any other player. I'm going to choose Thiago. Then check this box of captain and then scroll down and select save your team option and you'll be done. You can see that your team has been saved and now my captain is Thiago. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.